Hello, everyone. Good morning. It's another beautiful day when we do our Asia opening. So, I hope you are ready for today's analysis. If you are ready, I'm also ready. So, let's go. GM, everyone. GM, amazing friends, well wishers, lovers of good teen. Welcome to this morning Asia opening analysis. So before I go on, let me check, make sure that everyone is hearing me. Just make sure that the sound is good before we proceed.
So before I go on, let me.
All right. I can see S is good. Let me verify. Facebook.
Go proceed. So
Okay. Facebook is okay. YouTube.
let me verify.
Okay. We are good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's live space again. Yesterday was amazing. Uh, we all had amazing day yesterday, and the market was a little bit down yesterday. We had a drop in the market, and so many people felt the drop yesterday in the market. And because of that, as usual, as we do, we check the fear and greed index in the market. The fear and greed index is sitting at 54%. CMC, CMC is sitting at 55. For the first time, I'm seeing CMC being higher than this other app. Right? The other app is saying 54 neutral, and the CMC is also saying 55 neutral. So right now we are in the neutral part of the market. What does that mean? The market is at the place of nowhere, indecision in the market right now. Many people are beginning to wonder what's going on. What's going on? Some people that entered the long during the just concluded July pump right now. So most of them are so worried, scared. They don't know what is happening. They don't know the direction of the market anymore. So they're beginning to panic. That's why the fear and greed index dropped down to 55, indicating that we are in the neutral part of the market. We're not dumping, we're not pumping. So we are now in the 50-50 of the market, waiting for next direction. So the market is about to move to the next direction. Market is about to change pace from where it is now to another direction, up to down or from down to up. We're going to see that as we proceed. GMGM, once again, welcome to CTNG Wall Street Traders Floor, where we analyze charts and we also open our space in the middle of the analysis for people to come in and give their own bias in the market. So today, Bitcoin in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is sitting at 113,976.92 cents. Bitcoin in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin did 0.83% loss. Bitcoin lost 0.83%. Ethereum lost 2.72%, and the XRP lost 5.3.58. BNB lost 1.66. Solana lost 2.97. TRS lost 0. TRS gained 0.22% gain. Dodge lost 4.90. ADA lost 3.90. Hype lost 0.60%. Sue lost 4.69. Chainlink lost 4.19. BCH lost 4.04. Hedgebar. Okay, Hedgebar was not among those that wrote. Hedgebar lost 4.65. Alves, as I said yesterday, was pumping about 7 point, but right now lost about 5.11. LTC lost 1.27%. LEO gained 0.90% gain. Ton lost 6.85%. SHIB lost 3.66%. Uni lost 3.44%. DOT lost 2.60%. XMR lost 1.19%. And the BGB lost 2.42%. CRO lost 0.73%. And Pepe 5.26% at the moment. Alve lost 4.49%. ENA lost 3.79%. Tau lost 4.13%. ETC lost 4.23%. MNT gain 7.70% gain. Please put MNT in your watch list. NEAR Protocol lost 3.48%. Ondo lost 2.82%. APT lost 2.001%. OKB lost 3.11%. ICP lost 4.68%. PI lost 3.8%. CAS lost 5.33%. PO gained 0.59% gain. Pengo lost 7.7% loss. Algo lost 4.33%. GT lost 3.16%. AROB lost 5.47%. VAT lost 3.14%. Atom lost 1.96%. Bunk lost 8.95%. Render lost 4.93%. IP lost 1.33%. WLD lost 4.89%. Trump 3.92% loss. Say 5.55% loss. FLR 3.93%. Sky 8.27%. Put Sky in your watch list. 8 point is much. Put Sky in your watch list. No one is going to come up again. FIR 4.04%. FET 2.95%. XDC 2.24%. SPX 5.05%. Form 0.15%. Jupe 4.64%. QNT 4.09%. INJ 5.47%. CROV 1.41%. XTX 5.02%. TIA 5.15%. Pump.phone 2.30% gain. Put your eye on that pump. That guy will dump very soon. You're going to dump to zero. Don't worry. Watch him. Watch that pump. CFS 4.76%. Flocky 6.83%. Fatcoin 6.05%. Gold gained 0.15% today. ENS 4.25%. IMX 3.75%. GROT 4.10% loss. Cake 4.16% loss. WIF 5.80% loss. Kai 3.46% loss. M 3.75% loss. Nexo 1.37% loss. LDO 4.90% loss. XTZ 3.49% loss. X 8.96% loss. Put S for Sun. Put in your watch list. A 1.64% loss. Virtual 6.11% loss. Aita 3.3% loss. Jasmine 6.21% loss. Ray, yesterday I talked about Ray. I told you about Ray. R-O-A-Y. Told you about it. 6.26% loss. Gala 40.00% loss. Sound 4.60% loss. What did I say about Gala? Gala is 4.00% loss. Byte 5.39% loss. Aero 3.82% loss. Pendo 4.27% loss. All right, GM everyone. All right, I want to go to those projects I told you yesterday to put in your watch list. Let's say if you choose all of them. First one, I will start from the previous ones before the one I added yesterday. CFX, I called CFS. CFS is now at 4.98% loss. It's not yet over. I said I'm going to check it on Thursday, but today is Wednesday. CFS 4 now is out. Now it's 5.01% loss. CFS. Second one is INJ. INJ. 5.46% loss. Next one, SPX. 5.24% loss. Pengo. 7.26% loss. ENA 3.53% loss. XLOM XLOM, where are you? Okay, let me go to SROP for that one. XROP 3.69% loss. Let me look for XLOM 5.34% loss. Now the ones I added yesterday, M and Fatcoin. And the union, added union also, and MNT. So M, only MNT is having 7-point-something% gain today. That's why I said, but that MNS, I have not seen it in any exchange. I checked on some exchange. I know I didn't see it. So, but if you see it in your exchange, put your eye on MNS. Sorry, MNT. Put your eye for now. Let's look for M and Fatcoin. Fatcoin 6.34% loss. M 4.06% loss. So all this coin I listed here, even if you short all of them only from Monday till now, you're on profit. I called XLOM, ENA, Pengo, XPX, XROP, INJ, CFX, Fatcoin, and M. All these guys are dumping. If it is only what you traded this week, you have already achieved something. You have achieved something for the week. Even if let's say you short all of them, you're on profit. Let's even say that you choose 2 out of them, you are still on profit. I don't know if you got me. Remember that yesterday I even mentioned IOTC. I also put Litecoin in your watch list. So even if it's only those things that you trade, you are on profit. So, but it's not yet over. We'll check them by Thursday and see. And Friday. Ton is dumping seriously. Pengu did a massive dump from the time I called it. Let's say that you want to save money. borrow their money. I told you borrow money, increase the leverage, put it on cross margin, borrow their money, use $1 and open them. By now you have made more than $50 or $30 or $40. That time it was 7. I said this 7, use $7. Put $15, use $7 and open all in one, but increase the leverage. By now you're in profit. You should be seeing more than $30 to $40 with $7 you open the trade. Yes. I know the secret. That's why when I told you all those things, I know how it works. That's why I said even if you don't have money, the 7 of them, open them with $1. Put $15 in your portfolio. Open 7 of them with $1. Then the other balance stays in the portfolio to guide them. But if you have opened them alone, now ENAC should have given you more than $13, SRP more than $5, $10, Bank more than $10. You have made more than a lot of money by now. Just with $7, by now you should make over almost $50 just with $7, or at least $30 just with $7. But I say borrow their leverage, increase the leverage, but enter the market with $1. So your margin should be small, but you can borrow their leverage. Because I know that those ones, they were very high already. They don't much know where they're going anymore, other than to retrace. All right, let's go to the analysis. GM once again. Yesterday, Bitcoin dropped to 112,006 something, and bounced back again, come up again to 114 this morning. Now it just dropped to 113. So what does that mean in the market? What are we expecting in the market? Let's go to TotaTrade first. All right, TotaTrade yesterday, day before yesterday, when it closed, when this market closed, I told you before that not all the green candles are bullish. Some of them are not bullish. I also reminded you about the 5th of August. I said on the 5th of August, I'm not going into anything long. In fact, this week, or anything I do on the longs, I will scalp long. From now till weekend, I will only scalp longs. I will not stay long in any long trade. I'll just go when I see the reversal pattern, I scalp, give out, go away. I have my exchange where I kept my short. I'm not going to touch it. That one will remain there till when I see a market reversal towards the upside, especially from the weekly. I need to see the weekly reverse. Now, I have drew this thing for all of us before. I said the pump we enjoy started from W, take us to here, this point. Now, when we go to this point, the pump stopped. That means there is a heavy resistance around this area. That means they purposely drop this right here. Market makers they just purposely drop this to the top right here as an understanding for the next leg up. Now, the market, we moved from here, came here, closed this pattern. This was what? November pump last year, or November pump, and we came to November. We closed with this green candle, we rejected, formed this red candle. This turned to what? A tweezer top candle. They left it there, and the market from here makes some consolidation, dumped, come up, dump again, and form another pattern. Form a reversal pattern, bring the last leg up, come up here again. Getting to this particular point, it is called a rejection point, or there's a heavy resistance here that says, for now, we are going nowhere. Now, what is the next thing in the market? What is the next thing the market has for us? We need to see, as we have come up here, do we still need to continue going up to break all-time high to go to 1.2 trillion? Okay, that look good, but the market did not do it. It took this kind of up, rejected it, come again, took another one up, rejected it. Now these two green candle rejected because of here. There's already an understanding kept here before. That means for the moment, market upward has just paused because of what? There was a previous tweezer top candle, which is a rejection candle here already waiting. This one's met it and it rejected. They now form this reversal pattern. Now, if they have formed continuation pattern from here, we could have continued proceeding up. But what did they do? They form a reversal pattern with this three candle, showing that this connection here before is waiting for this man to come. Now, what is the next thing they need to do? They are forming what I told you people the other day. This is W we pump with. Now, they are forming now M with this W. So M can take over this W. Before this week, I have told you people that why they reject this man is to form next candle here, go up and reverse. If you are here since Saturday, Thursday, Friday last week, I have been saying this, that they're going to go up and form like this. You can go and watch my previous videos on Friday, watch my video on Thursday. Before this thing happened, I have said it before, that I'm going to reject it and take it up and we fall. So now they have taken it up. Now we are going to be coming down small by small, because the mission is what? M to swallow the W. This was the W that took us up. Now this M is going to take over this W. When we correct, we will now reverse for the bull run. Will not come up again. Therefore, we will be expecting to see what? A reversal pattern. Why this man takes us down? We must see a reversal pattern either from here or from here. The market will show us the way out. As we were going up here before, they now show us way out, that they are done with this. That is the same way they will go down. And when we get here, here is what? A support level. Here also is a support level. Here is a support level. Here is also support. Here is also support. Until we come down here or here or here or here. Market will show us the way out. If they are done with this correction, they can do what? Because of this, they will not form what to call. They will dump, reject, come up, form another green candle, and start taking us up by forming another double bottom, either here or here. Either they correct and come here, consolidate, or they spike down here. See, they might just do one thing. They might just use one candle and do the work. After this week, close. Next week, they now spiked. They might just spiked. If they feel like they want to do this correction very fast, they will just spike. Use one candle spike here and rejected the candle will reject and return back here and close here. When the candle closes here, if you want to use this one for reversal or this one, but you want to use this one, the candle will spike here, taking the lows of this particular man or the leftover money, and it will reject, come up here again, and they close with red. Next candle will open with what? A green, and market will reverse. That is the bull run. So the duty of the market makers is to show us the way. The chart will show us this is over. We don't have to assume anything. The chart will show us it is all over. It's time for what? A reversal. Now, they took us up. They came here, they show us that it's all over, that we should pause. What do? We pause from what? Every form of long because of this reversal we're seeing right here. Now, this week, we're waiting for this weekly candle to see what will this weekly candle do. This one is as important as anything. This little candle you're seeing right here is as important as anything you can think of in the market right now. It's as important as anything you can think of. So we need to see this candle close. The closure of this weekly candle is as important as anything ever, because it is this weekly candle now will tell us if this evening star, if it is valid or not. If we don't see continuation from here, that means we're going to see another reversal towards the upside. So, because we are obedient servants, we are obedient traders, we follow our chart diligently. We don't question, we don't argue. Whatever it prints for us is what we take. Now, we have many outstanding. We have this rejection waiting for this man. We have this one here waiting for this one. We have this one here waiting for this man. Now, some SMC people call it fair value gaps. Fair value gaps. And there are other blocks where they are going to buy those blocks. These are leftovers money in the market, and it's likely to be the reversal of this. So as this week candle progresses, we'll be observing it to know what will this candle give us. If you have turned green, now it's getting green. So want to see the level of the dump in the market. That's why I said I'm seeing a spiritual dump in the market. And that spiritual dump we deal with altcoin. Because once you see this thing now, this little candle that is still green, once you see it turn red, oh God. Oh. If this little candle turn red, the altcoin will be bleeding like hell. If this little candle turns red, that's why I said don't buy any spot bags now. It's not yet ready. If this man turn red from where it is right now and come over here, I'm still talking. It have turned red. I'm still talking. It have turned red. Wahala. Okay. So, You want to be careful in the market. If this man progresses down here, downward, red until here, brethren, people of God, your altcoins are gone. So if you're not taking your profit since, I'm sorry. Probably you're going to hold till the bull comes by a few months. If this man turns red and closes here, or even engulf this man and close very good bodily close on by Sunday night or by Monday morning, which is new week. Let's say this man dumped and engulfed this man and closed bodily close very well. What does that mean? It means that next week the original dump is starting. It means that next week original dump is going to start in the market. So that is it for altcoin. Altcoin is at a very risk period right now. Altcoin is at risk at the moment. So I will urge you to be careful. Because I don't know how fast this thing might dump. So we focus first of all on this weekly candle and see what this weekly candle is going to give us. The closure of this weekly candle determines a lot in the market. Okay, so that is it for total trade. That's altcoin. Now for the general markets, what are we expecting? Now I take it to the weekly. So for the general market, I'm sorry for many things that you are seeing here. Sorry, I'm over monitoring this USDT. Now, for the entire markets, let me clean this ones. Let me remove this one. This one's have passed. For the entire market, this is the entire market, crypto market. All the money that the buyers and sellers, these are where their money reports. For the entire market, we formed a morning star. We formed a morning star. And this morning star we formed right here, it was formed at a very discounted level. Which shows that this is the last dump we have ever seen on USDT dominance. That means we dump to the bottom. This trend line took us from the creation or from the beginning of USDT dominance. This trend line took us as far as 2017. We have not broken this trend line. We have been maintaining it until here. Now, we almost hit this bottom. Now, what does that mean? we now formed, we had already formed pattern here. Have pumped, came to retest successfully. Go again, retest. What is the next? M, fresh M. So you see why I said that you should not buy, you should hold on. We are having a fresh movement that's about to roll. We have already formed the pattern. What are we waiting for? We are waiting for this. We're waiting for this man, this one, this week candle, to turn what? Green. If this man turn green and come up to 4.69, Bitcoin and everybody will dump crazily. If this man, this week candle, turns green and come up here or here, the entire market will turn red. Serious dump. Remember that this week candle is a confirmation of this formation, this pattern that was formed here. So this week candle, this one now that is still red, is a proof if this will be successful or if this is valid. If this man closes red, that means this is not valid. That means it have invalidated this particular morning star. But if it turns green, which means this is valid, and we'll be expecting what? This thing to reach here, close, upper wick, continues and shoot out of this trend line. The more it goes up, the more your favorite coin is going down. Now, how many percent chance do we have that this man will turn green this week? I can tell you that I have 98% guarantee that this man is going to turn green because of last week closure. Last week closed very, very, very bullish for total 3. So last week closed very bullish for total 3. Therefore, I can guarantee you that today is just Wednesday. We have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday for this man to turn green. And it will surely turn green. 100%. But the only luck that we're going to get is the level of green it turns. If it did not turn very well to close very well, that means next week pump will not be heavy. But if it turns green and close very well, that means next week dump will be heavy. What if in a situation this man did not turn green and it remains red, or it turned green and turned to a doji, a cross doji? What does this still mean? It still means that next week we dump because we are already at a discounted level. As you can see, this thing now is looking like what? A cross doji already. Let's say it keep doing this thing and close as a cross doji. So let's say it closes as a cross doji. It means a continuation of this pump because we are at a discounted level already. We are at the bottom. This is bottom. We are not in the middle, neither we're not in the top. So even if you close, market makers might decide to play games and close it with a doji to see our reaction. They might decide to close it with a doji. They might decide to close it with a cross doji because it have already drawn the leg to know our reaction. It still doesn't matter. It is still bullish. If you look at what they're trying to do, they're trying to do the same tricks on Tota 3. They're trying to see if they're going to close this man with inverted cross doji as well. They're trying to play that tricks. So I know exactly what they are doing. So they are playing these games to know your ability towards the market. So they are likely to, even if they pump this man, to return it back as a dodge. They can do it. Yeah. They can also turn this man to a hammer. Before Thursday, Friday, they might turn this man to also a hammer, a bullish hammer. It's still what? A continuation. Now, on Bitcoin dominance, on the same weekly, Bitcoin dominance formed a reversal pattern as well. You see the reason why since yesterday Bitcoin was dumping small, while altcoin was dumping. They are all dumping more than Bitcoin because of what? Bitcoin dominance is rising again. We are not at 61.97. We even yesterday we entered at 2 point some for 62 point something. Now, if Bitcoin dominance continue rising and come up to this 64%, what does it mean? That any dump as this USDT dominance will be rising, Bitcoin dominance is rising. It means that Bitcoin will be dumping slow, and altcoin will be dumping so heavily because the dominance is rising. That means Bitcoin is putting an edge round about himself. Bitcoin is protecting himself with security and left altcoin to be vulnerable. So Bitcoin will be dumping little, while altcoin will be dumping more faster. The more this man is rising, and once it rises to 64.00, altcoin will become in a heavy mess again, including Ethereum. They will all be at the mercy of Bitcoin. So you can see that the Bitcoin dominance also reversed after hitting this support level. It's now on a reversal mode as well. So at the moment, we're going to see Bitcoin dominance keep rising. It will keep rising because it's looking bullish. Now, Tota 3, we keep dumping. That means altcoin, all your altcoins will be going down, while Bitcoin dominance and USD dominance will be rising. So what does that mean? That until this week is over, we need to confirm this candle on USDT dominance, what this candle is showing us on the weekly. Bitcoin dominance, what is showing us on the weekly. We need to confirm it because this week on a normal, when you see this kind of pattern, you're not supposed to trade. You're supposed to be out of the market. for your own sanity. If, let's say, if traders, you are out, get out of the market. Don't keep your money at all. Sell off when you see this kind of pattern as a spot trader. Why we are still in the market? Because we are futures traders. We can trade up and down. But for spot trader, whenever you see this kind of pattern on a higher time frame, you sell off and get out of the market until you see the confirmation. You can just keep a moon back until you see this confirmation. If this thing confirms also a red, you take off, better run. You dust your leg. You are market no get talk for now. As a spot holder, you are market no get talk for now. This is a red zone. This is a red zone. This is a red zone. The area is very brutal. This is a red zone. This is a red zone. You are market no get talk now. You're supposed to get out of the market as a spot holder. This is a red zone. Get out of the market as a spot trader. A spot trader should get out of the market now. This is a red zone. This is a red zone. Until this week closes. If it close green, you better run out. Bye-bye. Wait for what? The dump. As a spot bag holder, you wait for the dump so I can buy again from the lows. So nobody will come and tell you we're in the bull run. But no. Market is giving you a fresh price where you can purchase. So allow the market to finish what it's doing this week so I can have a fresh price to buy. Allow the market to give you a new price to buy. Because market is on what? On a correction. When they do their correction, they will not give you a fresh price. So if you had made back, if you had made money from the entire June or May, June, July, you have made money, you should be out of the market by now. Because we are already reversing from that pump which you have been enjoying. Market is making a reversal. So you should be out of the market. You cannot see this kind of thing. And we are still in the market. This is a no-go area. You should be out of the market. You cannot see this kind of thing and you're still in the market. Want them to take your money. So it's a no-go area for the market at the moment. You go to Chainlink, you can see the same thing. Can't you see the same information? And you are holding Chainlink. Chainlink is you are holding Chainlink, and you saw this and you are still in the market. What are you waiting for? You want to lose your money. You can see it's showing you I'm dumping. A lot of them have that formation. A lot of them, see look at it. Despite that tier is at the bottom, yet it formed a reversal pattern and is dumping at the bottom level, at almost at all-time low. All-time low. It's dumping at all-time low. Imagine that kind of thing. You can see it here. They are all dumping. It is there, reversal. At all-time low. So this little pump, they are coming to correct it on ENA. You see it on Ethereum. Ethereum is even that is high. So this one, very soon, this one will even dump within no nice. We will even reach here. Before you even get himself. You go back to 2000 something. Ethereum. Watch out now. So I'll come back to this 2000 something very soon. First and second support level. This one is looking bullish. So if you see this kind of thing now, your mind will allow you to come and long. You see this kind of thing now, you get mind, you want to long phone, or you see this kind of thing. This man go dump until he go reach here. He must come here. And here, be in destination. He's gonna come here. He's gonna come here. This is his destination here. He's gonna dump until he come here. And what find that what reversal pattern from here. So he's gonna dump. He's gonna come here. So if you see the kind of thing now, and let's say you're holding phone, you are still holding it until now. You want to lose all your money. It's already showing you that we are done with the pump. It's already reversing. By making this spike and rejecting it, it's a red flag for you. All these are red flags. Because anytime a market spiked and rejected, means they did it for a purpose. They just use it to liquidate the retailers. That's why you cannot see this kind of thing on the line chart. It's a fake pump. They used to liquidate people's money. You can see the rejection here, double top rejection. So you want to still hold Pengu. Pengu will come. Pengu will go even when it reach here, it will face more resistant and see the destination. This one or here must come down here to correct before Pengu will now move for the bull run. So you are holding for what? You are holding it. You want to lose your money. You want to lose your money. That's that. So you see Bitcoin last week engulfed the previous week. Is that what you're going to hold? Is it what you're going to hold? What are you holding for? You should sell and check out the market. Can't hold this. Even this mountain that it formed the other day, they have even retested it, almost dumping it back. So, brethren, for now, the market is on a correction. At the moment. And that correction is what is going on right now. So we'll be watching the market closely to see the weekly closure is as important as anything. So for the now, the market is still bearish. Market is still bearish for the now. So just be safe out there. Let this week close so we can see the weekly candle and know what is given to us. Stay away from your spot bag. I believe you have taken profit a long time ago. If you have not taken profit on your spot bag, I don't know what you're waiting for, because markets will be taking back the money from you. Do you want to see that one candle that will take us back to 100,000? It's going to show one day. You wake up, you see one candle take us down to 100,000. So before that thing happen, take your profits as a spot holder and wait for cheaper price to buy. You're going to buy very cheap again. That's all I have for you today. GMGM, we're still in a bullish, bearish momentum. So I'll be opening the spaces now for us to come and have a gist. Those of us that are awake, let's connect, let's talk. What's your bias in the market? What are you seeing in the market? Probably might see something I'm not seeing. So, new day analysis talk show. So come and join us and tell us your bias in the market. What are you seeing? Is it different from what I'm seeing? Come and share with us. And those of you that was on the space yesterday, when I told people to long Bitcoin for a scalp, I hope you long Bitcoin and collect some more cash from Bitcoin. We're going to long again today. But once the time comes, if I'm not on space, I will write it. We're going to long again today. Once the time comes, I'll tell you, let's long. So we're going to see long again today. So we're going to be doing scalping. We're going to scalp long. We're going to be scalping long. So once time reaches, I'll tell everybody to long again today. Once time reaches, I say, okay, short. So we're going to be longing and shorting on a scalp. So bring out one exchange. They're going to be using for scalping. All right. Okay. The space is on. Come here, request for the mic. Let's gist. What are you seeing in the market? Are you making money? You make money yesterday from the dump? Are you still on your spot bag? Tell me your problem, your fear. Let's connect and let's share ideas together. The space is open. Come up here. Top V Media. I have two Top V Media on X. One is showing the video, which I'm going to end the video stream right now and focus only here. And because I've already given my bias for the day, so I'm going to be closing the video stream very soon, and we'll be going on here to gist. I can see Rising on the mic already. I can see Dapsy. So guys, let's connect, let's talk, let's gist. What are you seeing in the market? What's your bias? What are you buying? What are you selling? What are you holding? Let's go. GMG once again, and to every one of you that have been following us, thank you very much for always being active. Thank you very much for always coming around. Appreciate you. And we're saying, have a beautiful day. It's Wednesday morning, and it's 9:14 a.m. right here in Asia. You that is sleeping right now, have a wonderful night rest, because it's midnight in Africa. So see you guys again tomorrow on the spaces, and make sure that you protect your trade with stop loss. If you are on profit, protect it very well. Don't allow Caesar to take what they give to you. See you once again tomorrow for the analysis, and stay cool. See you. Bye.